Question 3. Jason had 2 times as many sweets as Colin. After Jason gave 100 sweets to Colin, they had the same number of sweets. So how many sweets did Jason have at first? So we know that this is an identical AND question since they end up with the same number of sweets. So let's draw our models. We have Jason and Colin. And we know that in the end, they have the same number of sweets. And we know that in the beginning, Jason had 2 times as many sweets as Colin. So let's add one more unit for Jason. And in order for Jason to decrease, in order for Jason and Colin to have the same number of sweets, Jason had to give 100 sweets to Colin. So what we want to do is actually divide this blue box into 2, because Colin will end up with the same number as Jason, which means that they both have 1 extra unit in the end. So we can deduce that 1 unit is actually 100. So since we divided the blue box into 2, we will need to do the same for the green box. So now we realize that each size of the unit is the same. So we can write that 1 unit actually represents 100. So now we can answer the question. The number of sweets Jason had at first would be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units, which represents 4 times 100, and that gives us 400. So this is your final answer.